Deva. Sorry.
Bias review. This is a bias reaction. So okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Hi guys, welcome, or if you're new here then welcome back to my channel. As you must have read in the title, today I am gonna watch some of my music videos, dance covers with my mom, and we're gonna see how she reacts. Now she has seen them before, of course she's my biggest supporter, so she's the first view I get, but she's never seen any of them next to me, and I'm a little extra stressed because she is a Kathak Alankar, so she knows her dance. And well, let's see what happens. Hi. Hi, so welcome on my channel for the first time. And let's start the video. Okay, so the first video we're doing today is the first video I made in 2019, which is Senorita. It was a song that was trending a lot, and I made a bachata lady styling video choreography on it. So
So this video is very special for me because this video is done after.
it's okay. I'll explain. So it's ठीक है. So if you have noticed last year, if you have been with the channel for a long time, you know that last year we had kind of stopped making videos for 2-3 months in between. That was because I was there was some health issues that I was fighting, and this is the first video that I made post winning with those health struggles. So yeah, she's getting emotional. But how is the dance? 10 पे क्या marks कितने देना?
10 पे 10.
Oh guts.
Yeah.
ठीक है, okay. So that's not fair, but ठीक है, चलो. Next. Okay. So now this is extra. Where I'm conscious, thoda extra compared to other videos, because now we're doing the semi-classical choreography, which I set and I performed with Shivani, and she's a Kathak dancer. So okay, let's see.
Let's see.
She's seen it, but we've never recorded the reaction. So yeah. Yeah.
No. This here I will give 9 out of 10. 9 because one mark
Coordination.
not for coordination, but there is more chance to improve, right? The song selection is best. The song selection is best. The choreography is best. Your dance movements are perfect. Especially I like that Muskana wala. Right?
Okay.
That was fantastic. Fabulous.
So what? Improve what?
You can improve. You can do more better now.
Choreography.
Everything. There should always be a
Of
chance
course,
for
of
improvement.
course.
Right?
Okay.
So I am giving one.
So she's the kind of teacher who doesn't give full marks because you can improve.
Yes,
No?
you can improve. But brilliant choreography.
I mean,
I like.
Okay.
I like.
If you say so. If you say
Even
so.
my friends were praising like anything for the choreography you've done.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
yeah. And the movements, the grace you have.
Oh. Okay. So guys, I am planning on taking a live session on YouTube, like a live
Perfect.
teaching session. So if you guys want me to take this choreography, let me know in the comments. I might even put up a poll in the credits, not credits, but cards. Yeah, in the cards. So select or let me know if you want me to teach any other choreography. Yeah. Next. Azul? Okay. So now another hit song of the year, but a Bollywood hit song of the year, which was Makhna. It was a phenomenon. It played in every Sangeet choreography or engagement ceremony of everybody throughout the country. So me and Achal made a choreography on it. It has a small twist. Let's see. Yeah.
Marks.
She's a professor, okay? So she teaches. And this is her routine.
But I teach commerce.
Ari, but you've done this.
7 out of 10.
Costume? Okay. Very
I
good.
like the concept. It's a combination of semi-classical and salsa, right?
My Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Huh.
Okay. And but yeah, the costume may be this one, second one mostly.
So me and Achal went shopping one day before shooting the video.
Oh.
We both had pink skirts, but we didn't know what to wear for when we were doing the salsa part. And her body type and my body type is very different. And this is the one thing that fit both of us and looked good on both of us. Otherwise, either like it did not look good on me, but it suited my skin type or my body type. Otherwise, it looked good on me, but not on her. So we were shopping for 3 hours on a Sunday, and this is what we could find. So no excuses. We should have been better prepared, but yeah, theek hai. That was an excuse. The Valentine's special video that I posted on our channel, which I made with Shubhankar Tavde. So let's go.
It's a good video.
Good video.
Good video.
Thank you. Out of
The
10.
marks I'm supposed to give for every video.
Rating marks.
Rating.
Not marks, ratings.
Marks. Yeah, I call it as marks only, na? I'm sorry. Rating 9 again out of 10.
Okay.
But I like your concept
like,
because it was
20 years
20
anniversary.
years anniversary of Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and I like Hrithik too.
You like my video because you like Hrithik.
I like Hrithik too, so I like this song very much.
Oh.
So I like this video also because
Achha.
you are there in the video. And
This is a biased review. This is a biased reaction.
no, not a bias.
So you give more marks to your favorite students, huh?
No, never.
Okay, so this was a very
And,
special video because this is the first movie I ever saw as a kid in theaters, right?
Right.
Yeah, she knows better. And like I think everybody around my age, this was the first movie we ever saw in theaters. And after coming back, I was only doing that one step on that one song, copying Hrithik all the time. So yeah, it was a very special video because we were paying tribute to the movie that, you know, the symbol of love in those 10 years. And yeah. And moving on, the next video is the video that has the most views, like it's the most viewed video from last year. I woke up I think 2 days ago to that and it had 1 lakh views. I got a notification that it had reached 100k and it was a Sangeet choreography on Desi Girl and we had a lot of fun shooting it. Shivani has done an amazing job in shooting and editing it and I would like to see her reaction to it. So let's go. Yeah.
10 out of 10. Not because the views are more, let me clear this thing. Because, but you say ना हर ingredient perfectly जाता है कोई एक dish में तो वो dish proper बन के आती है. It's like that. Your choreography is fantastic.
Thank you. You all contribute.
Yeah. I'm not aware about that, right? But एक बड़े पर्दे का feel आ रहा है music and that suits the music और वो एक I cannot express
Because there are more people. So.
No, not more people but एक huge screen पे देखेंगे तो कैसे feel आएगा?
So Shivani has shot it like that.
Maybe.
Yeah, she knows what she's doing.
And
she does a good job.
Yeah, and you were telling me na iPhone पर ये किया
No. So this was shot on OnePlus 6T and yeah, edited and shot by Shivani. And yeah,
the choreography is fantastic. The moves are fantastic. The synchronization among all four
we took a
dancers.
lot of retakes.
All four dance. Actually, you took a lot of retakes. Okay. So hands off to Shivani and her patience. And the costumes are also perfect.
Yeah, so we were gonna rent costumes, so same dhara to.
Okay.
But because it was a Sangeet series and on Sangeet Days everybody wears their favorite costume, so we decided to wear what we thought
Exactly,
looks
I
good
was
on us.
about to say that because it's a Sangeet video,
Yeah.
costumes सगे match होता है त्या videos.
हाँ,
Perfect. Theme ला match.
Thank you. So yeah, thank you so much for doing
I
this.
love you.
Because she's quarantined with me during this lockdown till 3rd May, she had to do it. She couldn't go run away anywhere. So yeah, and finally she agreed to come on my channel. If you want her to come on the channel more, let us know that also in the comments. And yeah, let us know if you have any other theme ideas and how you liked watching the video. And thank you so much, guys, for watching the
Thank you.
video and coming back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, do that. Like the video if you haven't. Share the video if you haven't already. And hit the bell icon so you join the notification fam. Bye, guys.